G'day, Divergence traders. How we doing today? Hope all is well and all is good. Okay, so let's get into this. Oh, looks like some divergence may be setting up there near the top to take it down again, but this time maybe we'll take it down where they really wanted it to go. Down here. What a bunch of fookers, eh? They take it down and they make it look like, oh, we're going to smash it here. No. See how I tell you that 80% of the time it chops up and down or it turns corners quickly. Just like a race car. You know what I'm saying? That's what it does. And sometimes what I've found about trading, about any other thing in life, is that you can keep making the same mistakes over and over again, because when you're trading and you got a live trade on, and whether you're winning or losing, you're in the heat of the moment and you do things you do things over again, where after you've done it you go, oh crap, I've done this before many times. See what I'm saying? Many times. Anyway, let me just put this on here just for fun, just for laughs and giggles, just to see if it plays out. Obviously, price needs to come way down here. We need the 5 to cross down below the 7, and then down we go, right? Okay, you see the divergence? There it is. Not that this is financial advice, but we need price to come down here and then crash down all the way back down here. Will it do that today? I don't know. Oh shit, I forgot to close this. Okay, now you know where I trade. Amp. Okay, anyway, here we go. So, down here, there was no trade to buy in here. We had a low, a retracement, a lower low, right? And that was the baton. That's the baton from the fucking news that we all love so much. And it made a mess of the chart today. Okay? So there was no trade. There was no trade in here yet, as far as I can see. The only trade I see maybe setting up is right here. We got a high, a retracement, a big retracement, and a higher high. And now the question is, it's stalling here. Are we going to grind through here and go way higher? Or are we going to come back down? On the hourly, okay, we have a huge pin bar for the last hour that says we're going higher. So who knows? We got to wait and see. So that was the 5-minute chart. Let's take a look. Talking too loud, I'm sorry. Let's take a look at I'm all wound up. I just got wound up. Talking about the fookers on the other side of my trade. Okay, so let's look at the 2-minute, and then you can see my trades today. Okay. Double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Right here to right there. You see my entry right here? It's all my rules, all wrapped up into a little circle right there. Okay? We had a double top, triple top, whatever. We had a breakdown and close below the moving averages. We had the 5 crossing down. So as soon as this candle opens, this is the 2-minute chart, okay, I sold it. Now, this white line that I have on here now, I keep on my charts, that's the low of yesterday. Okay, the low. And I thought, I was in this trade, I was doing good, real good right here. And see, I'm I was in La La Land. La La. I was dreaming. There it goes to new highs. I was dreaming it was going back down to here to come back to the low of this baton of the news. Did they do that? No. But of course, luckily, I put a stop loss on my sell trade, like 2 ticks. So it came back up. I didn't think it was going to come back up. I thought for sure we were going down here. And it didn't fucking happen. So I got out right there. And then I sat here for a minute and went, is this like their patterns, that I've seen before? And right now it's playing out. Okay? And their pattern is this. They take them up in the opening. Here's the opening of the stock market. And then they take it down and they come and they get their stops. All the people who were buying in here, buying the dips, buying. Their stops were right in here. And you know what they freaking did? They came and they got the stops. That's what I think. Oh, look at her. She's on a rip right up now. Buy the dip, sell the rip. All right. You know what I mean, eh? Eh? Canadians, eh? Yeah. We don't live in igloos up here. We're not dumbasses like you might think we are. Okay? To all my American friends down there in Alabama and Louisiana and Georgia. We're not dumb here. We know how to trade. So anyway, where did I get out of my buy? And I should have never bought there. I should have been buying down here. Yeah, right here I should have been buying. As soon as we crossed up, price went up, I should have been buying. But I wasn't buying there because I wasn't confident yet. Because even though everything came up and crossed up, how many times have you ever seen it just fall back down again and come down here? You know what I mean? And that would be hidden divergence, to draw it up like this and from here down like this. So this is why I never got long right in here, because I didn't have confirmation that we were going to go higher yet. That's why I waited, and we had another strong bull up closing up candle near the high of the candle. I said, okay, let's gamble. This was my how would you say, strategic trade. Here was the strategy right here, triple top, double top, and yeah, it was divergent and it worked. But I didn't take it because I thought it was coming down here. But anyway, so I bought here, give me a little bit of drawdown, and I got out right there. Why would I get out right there at the pivot? Because of this. When price comes down to a support level, they buy off of it. When price comes up to a strong resistance level, which was not long ago, okay? Either you sell it and gamble, or you close your trade from your long and that's it, and you go home. And that was it for me. I did these 2 trades. It's enough. And no, I wouldn't want to hold on and go through all this thinking, oh, it's probably going back down now to here. You know what I mean? I got out. I took my profit. That's it. So both trades were winners. I made like 2 ticks on this one, and I made, I think 35 or 37 ticks on this one. Well, let's try and measure it and see. From here to that blue line. 90. I guess I'm wrong about that. 95 ticks I made. Huh. I don't know. It's kind of confusing, this shit. There's 4 ticks, right? In a contract. So if you divide that into 4, I made like 20 something, 22, 23 points maybe. I don't fucking know. Anyway, I made 95 ticks. Down here I had, oh, a shit ton, man. Shit ton of tickers. Let's see how much I had and gave it back. Yeah, see? I had 238 fucking ticks there. And Jason was dreaming in La La Land thinking it was going to give me more. No, sir. Okay, I talked enough about that. We talked about it to death. That's what happened today with me today, trading. Let's go and check out the S and the P. Let's see what it did. Oh, excuse me, tired. We got no trade in here. It's news, man. It's another baton. Another baton. You can tell. Look at this topping action right here. Right? It's telling you, hello, hello. I think we're gonna go down. All these freaking wicks. If you would have sold it here, somewhere in here, down it went. But that's not a trade. And here, see, we have a, try and look at this as a double bottom and discount the wick because it was the news. No, it's not divergent, man. This needs to go up like this in order to be this, for this to be divergent, but it's not. It's doing the opposite. It's doing the same thing the price did. So the price came down too far, too fast, as I like to say, and it created the wrong scenario for divergence. And there was no, pullback trades where back up and, higher close, down it goes, Well, actually, there's one right here, actually. There's one right here. But would you want to buy right there? Would you want to buy that dip after this came off of here? I wouldn't want to. And even though it worked out. See what I mean? It's like not good day to trade today. That's a 5 minute. Let's take a look at the 2 minute S&P. Maybe it looks a little better. Yeah, you got like a triple top here. Let's just mark it out for you on the screen. Just like that. Yeah. And right there, probably exact same time I sold the NASDAQ. I bet you. This 2 minute. Yeah, I bet you it's the same time. What do I need to get the time? 10:06. Shit, I was lost there for a second. At 10:06, the trade would have been right here. Okay, telemarketers, scammers, whatever you want to call them. It's trying to call me here. Yeah, same time, 10:06. Looks like we might just grind up now to the high of yesterday. Who knows? Let's get back to this here. Yeah, it was the same trade. And down here we had a low retracement, lower low. But no. There's no divergence to buy in here. On the 2 minute. Was there divergence to buy in the 2 minute on here? No. See, it was going down. And it was going down. So there was no divergence to buy here. Okay. We're done with the S and the P and the NASDAQ. All right, what do we got here now on the pound? Yeah, we're looking at 15 minutes. Big baton here. See that? Big baton. I wouldn't do no trade here. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. They're fucking people. Yeah, here's the euro. They're screwing people on the euro too. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Let's take a look at oil. What did oil give us? Oh, did they go digging? Woo-wee! You bastards. You see that big freaking pin bar? Oh, you bastards. But we had divergence, and we had it after they screwed the people. Yeah, we had divergence after. Hold on. Maybe not. Oh, maybe yes, maybe no. We had a low and a lower low. And that was from here to here. Oh, they got us. They got us. You fuckers. See them dirty bastards, what they did? Them oil traders, I used to say in New York City, but people trade at home now, man. People don't trade in an outcry where they can grab your order and and uh, and fill you at a worse price, and then they take the order at a good price, and then they sell it back, and then they make, I don't know, 3, 5, 10 ticks on oil or more, and then they sell it back over to you, and they hand the slip, and you get screwed, and they make a whole bunch of money. They're just thieves, man. Energy markets in New York City, just thieves, man. Don't. It was hard to trade back then in oil because they were just stealing it from people. Really bad. Same in all the markets. All the markets are crooked. Let me tell you something, and never forget what I'm about to say. It does not matter what it is. Wherever there's money, there's people trying to steal it. Whether you go and you buy a Big Mac at McDonald's, the corporation behind it, they're going to do whatever they can. You know what? You know it's really crazy? I'm not a big fan of McDonald's, but I love their French fries. But I don't eat them now, of course, because I can't eat salt. But I used to love their French fries. You know what they went and did in the last month? They have taken their French fries and they've shaved it down. I can't even tell you the measurement, but I guarantee you, go to McDonald's and order a French fry, and you tell me if you tell yourself, look at the French fries real closely and tell me if they look skinnier than they used to be. Now they look like little shoestring French fries. That's what we used to call them a long time ago. They were like just a bit smaller than McDonald's fries. If you go to other places, the fries are bigger, like Burger King, or they're like 3 times the size of McDonald's, right? But go to McDonald's, get a fry, and check them out, man. They're so much smaller now. It's hilarious. Anywhere they can shave a little bit of anything. You know how they make cans smaller now, and they up the price, or everything. He's got less product, making it look like there's the same or more product in there, and they've raised the prices. It's unreal how they will never. I guess it's a big no-no. It's taboo. A big no-no. Never lower the prices. Never going to lower the price of rent. Never going to lower the price of food. Everything now. Sorry, my throat dried out. It just keeps going and going. You know what I mean? They just keep screwing us. Anyway, let's finish this off here. Okay, so if we would have bought long right here, our stop would have been right here. They come and got the fucking stop. And then there was another one, if you're brave enough to try it. Okay? You have a low and lower low again. You would have bought in here somewhere. Up it went. And that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, just remember what I said. It doesn't matter what business it is or whatever. Wherever there's money, people are trying to steal it. Whether they do it legally or unlegally, they're trying to steal it. And that's it. And then trading too, same shit. Okay. I want to thank you again for watching and listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't done so. Because it's free to like and it's free to subscribe. Good luck and good trading. See you tomorrow.